In today's video, I'll show you guys the best settings for FC26. Go to settings, game settings, to visual and scroll down. Under accessibility, set player shadows to off, stadium status to off, camera shake visuals to off. Once you done this, go to display mode full screen, set a screen resolution, VSync off, frame rate limit to 60 Hz or refresh rate 60. Go to graphics. So we need to save the settings. Once you change the settings in here, press the spacebar to apply the settings and then go to graphics. Set the graphics preset to low and press the spacebar to apply the setting. In-game settings has done. Just quit the game. Now press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Open this EA Sports FC26. Open settings. Right click on override auto direct and select edit in notepad. Dynamic resolution, set this to 1. Dynamic AO quality, set this to 0. Cloth quality 0. Motion blur 0. Grass quality, set this to 1. Crowd quality, set this to 0. Stand based hair, set this to 0. Present interval, set this to 0. Max frame rate and target frame rate 60. VSync enabled to 0. Graphics quality, overall graphics quality to 0. Full screen, set this to enabled 1. And select file and select save option. Settings will be saved in game. Right click and select properties. Check mark this read only option and select apply and OK. And we have successfully done this. Now you can launch the game. And now you can enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.